Hello students, very good morning all of you. Welcome to my video channel, YouTube channel. Today we will study about the hybridization and shapes of the molecules. In this video we had a study about the uh, one type of about the hybridization and their types of the hybridization, and there were three types. First was sp3, second was sp2, third is the sp hybridization. sp3 hybridization we have already studied in the previous video. In this video we will study about the sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization means the intermixing of the electrons s and p orbital. It means there will be sp2. sp2 means the intermixing hybridization of the electron of s. It means one electron of the s and one electron of the two electron of the p. So then that will form the sp2 hybridization. Okay, and always sp2 hybridization form in the carbon compound, but there will be the double bond. Okay, so here now carbon atom has four unpaired electrons in excited state. The three orbitals get hybridized to form three sp2 orbitals, leaving one p2pz hybridized orbitals. It means carbon carbon, you know that carbon, their atomic number 6. It means 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Okay, so it means in last cell have only 4 electrons. So here 1s2, it means that is the 2s, and that will be the 2p, 2s and 2p. Okay, so 2s have a 2 electron and 2p have a 2 electron. But in exciting state of the carbon, so one electron of the s orbital that will be jump to the p orbital. It means pz orbital. But here hybridization will be only one electron of the s orbital and 2 electron of the p orbital. So then that they will form. That's why that is called a sp2 hybridization. It means hybridization of the one electron of the s orbital and 2 electron of the p orbital. So that's why that is called a sp2 hybridization. And one, it means that is the pz, and that is the py, and that is the px orbital. Okay, so pz remain will be unhybridized orbital. Okay, it means here the hybridization of the sp2 hybridization will be here. The it means the participant of the s will be 33.33 and p will be there 66.66. It means s participant will be the less and p percentage will be there high. Okay, so that will be there will be the, it means high reactive then to the sp3. Okay, yes. Now here that is the structure of it means example of the sp2 hybridization is the ethene. Okay, C double bond C and H2 and H2. Okay, here also, so sp2 here also, sp2 here also, sp2 hybridization here also, sp2 hybridization also, sp2 hybridization also here. Okay, and sp2 here and sp2 here also. Okay, so during that unhybridized orbital, they will overlap with the another carbon of the unhybridized orbital. Okay, so both will the overlap, so that bond will form a pi bond. That is called a pi bond. So it means here CH2 double bond CH2. So there will be the one will be the pi bond and one will be the other will be the sigma bond. Okay, Now next one is here sp hybridization. Sp hybridization means it is hybridization in between, yeah, interhybridization of s orbital and p orbital. So it means in this type of hybridization only will be the one orbital, one electron orbital of the s and one orbital of electron of the p orbital. Okay, so one here and one here, then that is called sp hybridization. And two, it means here the two carbon atoms constituting the triple bond are sp hybridized. If there are the triple bond, of course there will be the uh, sp hybridization. Okay, and in this carbon undergoes sp hybridization. It means they will form a hybridization forming two sp hybrid orbitals, and two 2p orbitals remain unhybridized. It means 2 will be the it means 2sp. 2sp means here, like here 2s and 2p, that will be the hybridized. Okay, here one electron of the 2s and one electron of the 2p, that will hybridized, and 2p sp will be the, so 2p 2p orbitals, it means 2p orbitals will be the remain unhybridized. Okay, so these two unhybridized orbital, these electron overlap with the another carbon of the two unhybridized orbital in here one orbital here, one orbital here, and one here, one here. It means suppose that is the py x already it means hybridized here sp during the sp orbital, but py and pz orbital, and py and pz. So py overlap with the pz in py here, and py pz orbital overlap with the pz here. So they are forming the two are the pi bond. So there are two pi bond. It means during sp hybridization we will form the two pi bond. Okay, and others will be the sigma bond. And here also their example is the CH3 triple bond CH3. It means, and that is the ethyl. Okay, so here also if we talk about the, it means combination. So combination is here, and it means S will be the 50%, 50%, and P will be 50%. Okay, so both are 50%. It means that will be the more electronegative. That compound will be the more electronegative than to the sp2 and sp1. It means we can say also here. It means we can say also here sp more elective than to the sp2, and then that more elective sp3. Okay, so it means sp is the more elective electronegative, and then sp2 is the more electronegative than to the sp3. Okay, so sp3 always form in the it is they will also always form the single bond. sp2 always form the double bond, and sp always form the triple bond compound. Okay,